Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius 5 sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius 5 sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Okay, two cards. Sagittarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Wow. Sagittarius, Magician with Death card. I think for some you are in separation with your person, for some it could be a permanent separation, for some it could be temporary, but one type of ending between you and your person. For some you are in no contact situation, but you are trying to manifesting them again into your life. Yes, you are doing manifestation techniques, and for some you will manifest whatever you want in near future, like career, money. Yes, you will be in this energy in near future, the Magician energy, Sagittarius. So let's say we're reading recent past, King of Wands, Nine of Wands and Queen of Cups. In recent past, you are holding back. You are thinking about someone or something a lot. You are guarded up, yes. And you are taking your control back. You are focusing on yourself. But still you have strong feelings towards this person. Queen of Cups energy is here. You are very caring and sharing person. You are very emotional person, Sagittarius. Yes, you got it up, but still you have strong emotions towards this person, but you take you take your control totally back. Yes, now you are totally in your control only. Then present Seven of Cups, Eight of Pentacles and Six of Wands. Maybe for some you have options, for some you are in confusion, but right now your total focus is on your career. Yes, Eight of Pentacles. You are working hard towards your goals, and you are creating more money. Definitely your total focus is to create more money, and you at the same time you are getting success. Six of Wands. You are getting success and recognition for your hard work. And future, Ten of Pentacles, Queen of Swords and the Devil. Yes, you are getting financial stability and there is abundance is coming towards you, especially in finances and career. There is abundance and stability is coming. And Queen of Swords, you are setting healthy boundaries. You stand by your power. Now you are taking control. And you want to give clarity to your person. Maybe you want best, you deserve best. Maybe you want to give them clarity. There is communication with clarity. And the Devil, I think for some this person may be toxic for you, for some you both are still obsessed with each other. I think you are obsessed with them, and the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Six of Cups. Your person thinking about you a lot. For some, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. So let's see their feelings, their current feelings. Sagittarius, their current feelings. Their current feelings, Sagittarius. Temperance, it's your card and it's your reading, and the Hanged Woman under the deck. They are stuck on you. Definitely they are thinking about to text you, but they are waiting for the right time. They are patiently waiting for the right time because the Temperance is here, patiently waiting. And Queen of Pentacles, I think your person want to share their love with you right now. Maybe for some your person right now busy with their career also. So Princess of Cups, but they have emotions, so they want to say apology if they hurt you in past, and they are waiting for the right time, and they are stuck and they are thinking about you a lot. So let's see their intentions. Judgment. I think they are in the process of making decisions, Sagittarius. Right now, your person feeling stuck. Yes, they want to say apology to you. They want to text you. Even though for some you will receive text and or message, for some maybe it will take some time, because right now your person feeling stuck and tower moment. Without you, they're feeling tower moment. Right now, for some they are going through a lot in their life, and the whole you both could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states, but I think everything in divine timing, what I'm getting here. Right now your person feeling stuck, but they are thinking about you a lot and they are in the process of decision making. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they are spying on you. A lot of spying is going. They're scared for rejection. Maybe they're getting their strength to come over you. And strength, the person involved in this connection could be Leo. Definitely they are feeling missed opportunity with you. They are thinking about you a lot and they are spying on your social media. Yes, they are wondering about you a lot and thinking about you a lot. But they are stuck on you. At the same time, they're stuck. They're feeling stuck. They are unable to make any move towards you right now. That's why they're patiently waiting. Patience is the key. And you also stuck. I think you both are stuck on each other. You both on each other's mind a lot. And Ace of Swords, definitely communication and clarity for some. And Knight of Pentacles, your person planning to come back. Again, they are in very, very slow moving energy because they are feeling stuck. Judgment, decision making, and Five of Swords. Yeah, there are some disturbances between you and your person. For some, your person may be backstabbed in you, cheated on you, lied to you, miscommunication or false communication. It could be anything, but you both are in the process of making decision. It is very important phase for both of you to make decision to take this relationship to next level. You both are in the process of making decision. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Sagittarius. Text is coming. I'm crazy about you. This person is sneaky. A reunion is coming. Will you forgive me? And you are the only one for me. So the messages are, text is coming. I'm crazy about you. This person is sneaky. Reunion is coming. And will you forgive me? And you are the only one for me. So take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. For some, definitely this person may be sneaky for you and reunion is coming, text is coming. Yes, they are spying on you and they are crazy about you. The answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. And what do you need to release? Waning moon. So you have to release resistance, maybe especially when if you are thinking about your person negatively, you have and you are getting negative thoughts about that person. You have to think about that person very positively if you want that person back. Definitely you have to release negative thoughts, and the answers you need are coming. Definitely the answers you need are coming. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.